I am going to show you how you can use Ubuntu terminal, command line terminal in Windows laptop, and you can use Ubuntu feature in the Windows, and you can install application, Ubuntu application and use in the Windows. So to start with, we will open the command line terminal. So I will type terminal. So I will maximize this. So now I am in terminal in Windows. So to start with, we have to check the WSL command. So first we will check if WSL is installed in this. So I'll type WSL version. So it will show the WSL version in this. I will clear this. So next I will check the list of the application installed using WSL. So WSL list verbose. So this command will give the list of the application installed in using WSL. So you can see there is Docker desktop and there is no other application. So we will install Ubuntu using WSL command. So to install the Ubuntu, we will type this WSL install. This command will install the Ubuntu in the Windows. So it is downloading Ubuntu and it will take some time. As you can see, it is asking for the username, so you have to enter the username. So I will just enter it because it is taking the default username. So now I need to enter the password, so I'll enter the password. So I have entered the password, so again I have to re-enter the password, same password. You can give the different name also in the user account. So I have entered the password. So now you can see this terminal. So this is the Ubuntu terminal and Ubuntu is ready in Windows. So now I am in Ubuntu terminal. So I can run this command sudo apt update. So it will install all the latest version of the application. It has sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade -y. So I will run this command. You can see this command. I will clear and do it again. So it is asking the password. So the application is getting updated. So you can see that all the application is updated, and you can also log into sudo su in root terminal. I will type sudo su, so it will, and I am into the root terminal, so I will clear it. So if you want to exit to this terminal, you can just type exit. So you will exit from the root, and from the Ubuntu, if you want to exit, just type exit and you are into the Windows terminal now. And here you can, now if we want to check if Ubuntu is installed, we need to type WSL list verbose. So this will give the installed application. You can see here this Ubuntu is running, and it after exit we have just stop it. And if you want to restart it again, restart the Ubuntu again, just type WSL, so it will start the Ubuntu again. So again I am in Ubuntu terminal and exit will come back. And you can also type this WSL -d Ubuntu to start the Ubuntu. So it will also start the Ubuntu. So you can see here this color terminal has opened, and we will exit this, and you can install any application using sudo in Ubuntu terminal. So I will show you one. So to install a new application ttyd, I'll just enter sudo apt install ttyd -y. So this will ask the password. So now this application is getting installed. So it got installed, and you can check the version. So you can see here we just installed ttyd in Ubuntu terminal. So we will exit it. So if you want to shut down the WSL, you can type WSL shutdown. So it will shut down the WSL. So this is all about this video. Thank you for watching.